Assalamu alaikum. I am Amiyo Bhattacharjee. I will take mathematics class of class 9. My dear students, I hope all of you will cooperate. Thank you very much. Okay. Let's discuss chapter 4. You know that this chapter is based on logarithm and indices. So exercise 4.2, logarithm. Logarithm. Okay. Actually, the word logarithm, okay, has been taken from two Greek words. That is Greek words. Logos, L-O-G-O-S, logos. Its meaning is proportion or ratio. And the other is arithmos. It means number. Okay, from two Greek words, logos and arithmos. That means logarithm means ratio number. Okay, the Scottish mathematician John Napier, okay, he found this logarithm. It has two bases. Number one, common logarithm. Base 10. Natural. Base E. Have you got it? Base E. Now we'll come to know. I know that our Honorable Supremo Sir did a lot of maths from this exercise logarithm. Even after that, I am going to show you some maths. Okay, that's good. Log 2 plus log 5 equals to what? Okay, write me. Log 2 plus log 5 equals to what? I am going to see your result. What's your comment? Log 2 plus log 5. Okay, write me. Log 2 plus log 5 equals to what? What is the answer? Options are, suppose log 7, log 2 by 5, log 5 by 2, 1. Just write me. Which one is the answer? Can you write me? Which one is the answer? Just write me. Which one is the answer? Muhammad Hussain, Razak Chaudhary, they have written answer 1. Rabita Rahman, answer D, D. Shamim Ahmed, D. Azmain Abrar, okay, D, D. That's good. Someone has written answer A, but for your kind information, A is not right. Its answer is D. How does it come? You see, it is addition, right? They are addition. That means for addition, the formula is multiplication, 2 into 5. That means log 10. Log 10. What is meant by log 10? Log 10 means there is a base 10. There is a base 10. So log A base A equals to what? 1. That is answer is 1. Log 10 equals to what? 1. You can use calculator. All of you are required now to take out the calculator. Suppose you see log 10 equals to 1. What is meant by this log 10? Log 10 means there is a base 10. Okay. Now if I write log 100, that means what? Log 10 square. You know there is also a base 10. 10 base 10, is it? That means we can write 2 log 10 base 10. Now log 10 base 10 equals to what? 1. The 2 into 1 equals to what? 2. Log 10 base 10 equals to what? 1. 2 into 1 equals to 2. Now if I write here log 1000, what is the value of log 1000? Log 1000 equals to what? Log 1000 equals to what? Base is 10. Okay. Then we can write here log 10 cube. And of course the base is 10. The base is 10. That means what? 3 log 10. And here the base is also 10. That means 3 into 1 equals to 3. In this way, we can find all the values. But if it is given like that, you see, if it is given like that, suppose log 0.1. What is its value? Log 0.1. Log 0.1. That means log 0.1 means what? 1 by. Okay. That means log 10 to the power minus 1. That means minus 1. Minus 1 log 10. minus 1. Now you see log 0.1 means there is a base. Base is what? Base is 10. Base is 10, right? Its base is 10. Now we can write like this. This is also 10. This is also 10. This is also 10. So we can write here 1. So answer is minus 1. Have you got it? Answer is minus 1. So for division we get negative values, right? Have you seen? It is division. So we get negative values. So we can come to conclude that for division, okay, we get negative value. Or like this, if the math was given like this, log 0.01, if the math was given like this, then what should be given? Here it is 1 by 100, then it is what? It means what? Log 10 base 1 by 10 square. That means 10 to the power minus 2. So here it will be minus 2. Here it will be minus 2. So answer is minus 2. You understand? In this way. Now it is a math to all of you, and I want to see who can do this math. Okay? Okay, all of you get ready. 3 to the power x equals to 16. X equals to what? Okay, time is 30 seconds. I want to see who can write the right answer. What is the value of x? Can you write me what is the value of x? None of you can write. Is it? I can't see anyone writing. Someone has written it is higher math or general mathematics. I have written here maths. For your kind information, it is written maths. It is not written higher maths. Okay. Anyway, so you should be alert, pay attention. Anyway, three to the power x equals to 16. What is the value of x? Can you write? For us not. You see, where logarithm is used and why logarithm is used, in this case it is impossible to do the math without the help of logarithm. You see how to do this math. We'll take log to both the sides. Log. I have taken log to both the sides. 16. Now x equals to log 16 by log 3. Now use the calculator. X equals to, use the calculator. All of you are required to use the calculator. .5237 like this. Is it? Those who have done or those who have used calculator, I am telling them, in this way you write down, in this way you write down, in this way you write down, in this way, write down on calculator, just operate 3, okay, then this power, answer equal to, or in this way 3 xy answer equals to, can you please operate your calculator? 3 xy answer equal, you have the answer on the calculator screen, keyboard, 3 power answer. Now I know that you have all got here 16. That means your value of x is 2.5237 like that. So 3 to the power answer, 3 to the power answer is equal to 16. I think you have got it. Have you seen? Is there anybody here? Is there anybody here who has done? Yes. Samaj has written Ishaq Jahan Sriti 16. Apnan Gani 16. That's good. Runa 16. Sajid, yep. Sir, second method XY কিভাবে আনবো? Anyway, in the calculator, some of you have this sign and others, for others, this sign. Any of these two will do. Any of these two will do. You see your calculator, either this sign is given or this sign is given. Any of these two can be given. Laumin Ibn Nohan, you have written 15.9996, but please get to understand, I told you to write down, to operate the key button answer, not this. If you write this for x, then you will not get the exactly 16 value. No, you will not get. You have to press answer. You can do it again. You just do, you operate this again, okay? Then write down 3 xy or 3 power answer. Then you will get exactly 16. Okay? Next. You know, log a base b into log b base a equals to what? Equals to 1, right? That is, here this and this will not be considered. That means we will get log a base a, that is equal to 1. It means, suppose it is given here log 2 base 3 into log 3 base 2, it means equals to log 2 base 2 equals to 1. So I can write like this. Suppose it is written log 5 base 4 equals to, we can write here 1 by log 4 base 5. That means these two, if we multiply these two, our answer will be 1. So we can introduce another formula, that is that is, please try to understand, that is log a base b equals to 1 by log b base a. This is the formula. Now you have to find the value of log e base 10 equals to what? Now find it. Just write me the answer. Log e base 10 equals to what? Log e base 10 equals to what? Log e base 10 equals to what? Okay, what should be done here? It is equal to, as I told you, log, what is to be written here? You see, this 10 and e will be interchanged. 10 e. You just see e to the power e, log e base 10, that is 10 base e, right? As I told you earlier, this is the formula. A base b, that is b base a. Here a base b, give emphasis here. Some of you, one told that she did not understand. This and this, you look here. Here base is A, but here base is B. Have you seen? A base, here B base. In this way, log E base 10, that means what? Log 10 base E. Now, what is the value of E, or what is E? What is E? Your calculator, you have e to the power x. Have you seen? E to the power x. Take out the calculator. E to the power x. Now for x, you write down e to the power 1. E to the power 1. And you will get a value like this, 2.71 dot something, 718 dot something, you will get it. Okay? Use the calculator, e to the power 1. What is E? Actually, E is, write down, what is E? What is E? I am writing here, what is E? E is 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial, 1 by 2 factorial, 1 by 3 factorial, 1 by 4 factorial, 1 by 5 factorial, 1 by 6 factorial, like this. This is E. Okay? This is E. Now, if we calculate, we will get 1 plus, this is 1. By the way, what is factorial? 3 factorial. It is called factorial. 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1. It is 3 factorial. 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 5 factorial means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Have you seen? In this way. So we can write here, this is 1 factorial. 1 factorial means 1. 1 by 2 factorial means 2. 1 by 3 factorial. 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1. That is 6. 1 by 4 factorial, that is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 1 by 24. 5 factorial, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 1 by 120. 6 factorial, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, that is 1 by 720, like this. Now, if we calculate, our result will be 2.71828. Our result will be, it is equal to 2.71828. Our result will be this. Okay? If we calculate, any of you can calculate, and you will get the result like this. calculate it and show me. Anyway, some of you wrote to understand, to make you understand again. I think you are telling something about E, right? Okay, E actually is a series, that is, it is E. 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial, 1 by 2 factorial, 1 by 3 factorial, 1 by 4 factorial, 1 by 5 factorial, 1 by 6 factorial in this way. And now, what is 1 factorial? You write down what is 1 factorial. 1 factorial equals to 1, you write down. 2 factorial equals to 2 into 1. 3 factorial equals to 3 into 2 into 1. 4 factorial, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 5 factorial, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 6 factorial, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay? I think I've got it. By the way, in your calculator, there is an operation of x factorial up and above right side. Okay, up right side there is a sign x factorial. Using shift you can find this value. Using shift you can find this value. So 2 factorial means 2 into 1. By the way, you will get it when you will be in class 10, exercise 10.1 and 10.2. A lot of applications on this factorial sign. A lot of applications in higher mathematics. 2 factorial means 2 into 1. 3 factorial, 3 to 1. In this way. Anyway, so if we add, then we will get the value like this. Not exactly, but like this. It is an irrational number. E is an irrational number. That is, it is non-terminating. That is, it is non-finishing. Okay, that is non-repeating, non-recurring, non-terminating, non-recurring, non-finishing. Okay, non-repeating, non-recurring. It is non-recurring. Now you see, it is equal to 1 by log, this is log 10. Now what is the value of E? The value of E is 2.71828 approximately. It is approximately. Now you use the calculator, you will get the value like this. 1 by, use the calculator, log 2.71828. Use the calculator. Write down log 2.71828. You will get 0.43429 like this. Equal to 2.30259 approximately. Approximately. Just write me where you don't understand. Okay, let's do a very important math. Very important. Log 10, 27, log 10, 8, log 10, 512 by log 10, 1.5. This math is really very important to be given in your examination. What is to do? Pay attention. All of you are required to pay 100% attention. You see, log 27. What is 27? 27 means what? 27 means we can write 3 cube, right? 3 cube. 27 means what? 3 cube, right? Root over means what? Root over means power half. Power is half, right? Square root means what? Power is half. And we know during power of power, it is that the powers of power are always multiplied. 3 to the power 3 by 2. 3 into half, that is 3 by 2. Okay? 3 into half means what? 3 by 2. Okay. So we can write here log base 10. Look at the board. 3 to the power 3 by 2. Now it is log 8. What can be written? You see, 8 equals to what? Look at the board. 8 equals to what? Root over 64. 8 means what? Root over 64. Any doubt? No. Anyway, 64 means what? 4 cube. 64 means what? 4 cube. That is 4 to the power 3 power half. That is 4 to the power 3 by 2. Have you got me? You have to pay attention, okay? Otherwise it becomes very impossible. 8 means root over 64. Eight equals to root over 64. Root over 64 means what? 4 cube. 4 cube equals to what? 64. So root over 4 cube. And we know square root means power half. So 4 to the power 3 into half, that is 3 by 2. So we can write here 4 to the power 3 by 2 minus log 10 512. 512 means what? You see, 512. That means what? Root over 8 cube. 8 cube means what? 8 to the power 3 by 2. In this way. So we can write here 8 to the power 3 by 2. 8 to the power 3 by 2. I think you have got me. Then we can write here log 10 1.5 is equal to, you have seen 3 by 2, this is 3 by 2 log 10 3 by 2 log 10 4 minus 3 by 2 log 10 base 8. This is what? Log 10 1.5. You know, if it is power, then it becomes coefficient of log, right? Now, 3 by 2 in the numerator, we have 3 by 2. 3 by 2 can be taken common here to get log 10 base 3, log 10 base 4, log 10 base 8, and here it is log 10 base 1.5. Now 3 by 2 log, you see this is addition, so this is multiplication 3 into 4, this is subtraction which will be division. For addition it is multiplication and for subtraction it is division, right? This is the formula of logarithm. I think you all know it. Thank you. By log 10 base 1.5. Now you calculate with the help of calculator. That means we are left with 3 by 2 log 10 1.5 here in the numerator. 3 4s are 12 divided by 8 equals to 1.5, and here also log 10 base 1.5, that is equal to 3 by 2. This is really the most important math to be given in the examination. Write me if you fail to understand anywhere. Okay, I think you have got it. Now do another method. Simplify again, simplify the same math. Here it is 1000 and here it is 1.2. This is the difference only. Okay, so what should we do? Nothing, just this is 10 and this is here 1.2. Okay, here it is 10, only 10, here it is 10 and here it is only 1.2. Here it is 10, here it is only 1.2. Here it is 10 and it is 1.2. Here it is 3 4 12 divided by 10, that is 1.2. It is 1.2. It is also 1.2. So another math. It is another math, okay? This math is given in the example of your book, exercise 4.2, example. All of you are required to copy it. Be quick to copy. Okay, that's done. Some math like this, simplification or evaluate. Log 4 base 2. What is the answer? You see, log, this is 2, that can be written root over 4, right? We have to have the similarity. This 4, remember one thing. That is, we can write here log 4 base 4 to the power half, root 4, root over 4, 4 to the power half. Now, this half, this is the power, this half will be taken as the coefficient of logarithm. That is half log 4 base 4. Have you seen? Now, its formula equals to what? 1. It is 1. So our answer is 1. Half, this is 1. Half into 1, that is half. Now, can you do this math? If the math is given like this, log 4 root over 2. Now do it. You do this math and let me know your answer. Do it. What is the answer? Log 4 root over 2. Okay, you see, that means we can write here 2 to the power half, right? That is half log 4 2. Now, like the previous math, half log 4 root over 4, half log 4 to the power half, right? This half will be taken here, half into a half log 4 base 4. Have you seen? Half into half equals to what? 1 by 4. And we know that the value of log 4 base 4, it is 1. Its value is 1. So half into half equals to 1 by 4. Okay? Now, you do another math by yourself. And I want to see the answer. Log 9 base root over 3. Do it and show me. Show me the result. Please, write me the result. Okay? Time 30 seconds. Some of you has written the correct answer 1 by 4 and one has written answer 1 by 9. Actually not 1 by 9. It is just answer is 1 by 4. Okay. Now it is your turn to do the math. Okay. Its answer is 1 by 4. Many of you have written the correct answer 1 by 4. Thank you very much. log 3 root over 2 324 equals to what? Can you do it? $324. Okay. You see 324, that means what? 324. Okay. Can be written as, can you find the prime factors of 324? Can you find? 324, that means what? 1 into 324, 2 into 162, then 3 into what? 108, like this. Then what are the prime factors? Then 4 into 81, then 9 into 36, then plus 12 equals to what? 12 into 2 27, then what? Like in this way, but this is the way how to find the factors. In this way you can find the factors, but remember one thing, it is 3 and 2, so I have to find the prime factors. So what is the way to find the prime factors? It is the way how to find the factors that you did in class 8. Now to find the prime factors, you have to do like this. 2 okay, so 324 is equal to 3 to the power 4 into 2 square. Have you seen? 3 to the power 4 into 2 square. Now you see 2 square. Okay, this is 2 square. Remember one thing. Write down log 3 to the power 4 into 2 square. Okay. Now, as I told you, 2 square equals to what? We can write here root 2 square. Can I write it? You see, root 2 whole square equals to what? 2, and this is a square. So we can write it root 2 whole to the power 4. Okay? Just remember one thing. Root 2 whole square equals to what? 2. That means 2 square equals to root 2 whole square. Then if I square it again, then 2 square equals to root 2 whole to the power 4. So we can write here log 3 base root 2, okay, 3 root over 2 whole to the power 4. What I have written? 2 square. 2 square means root 2 whole to the power 4, and this is here given 3. That means 4 log 3 root over 2, 3 root 2. So its value is 1. 4 into 1 equals to 4. This is also another most important math to be given in the examination. Okay? Another math can be given like this, that is write down, evaluate log 2 root 5 400 equals to what? What is the value? What will you do? 400 to 200 to 100 to 50 to 25 5 5. Okay? That means we can write here log base 2 root 5 here 2 to the power 4 into 5 square. There are 2 5s and there are 4 2s. Now, like the previous math, we can do, you see, log 2 root over 5. Here we can write 2 root 5 whole to the power 4. As I told you, 5 square means what? Root 5 whole to the power 4. 5 square. You see, again, 5 means what? Root 5 whole square. It is 5. 5 square. What is 5 square? Then root 5, I have a square. This 2, it will be 4, 2 to the 4. Okay? Very good. That means log 2 root 5, it is also 2 root 5 whole to the power 4. So 4 log 2 root 5 equals to 4 into 1, that is 4. Equals to what? You do it. Find the value. You see how to do this math. Evaluate. It is 6 to the power 1. Root means power half. Okay. It is what? Log 5 to the power half, 5 to the power 1 by 3 minus okay is equal to log 6 to the power 1 plus half (5 to the power half plus 1 by 3 minus 3). This is 1. Now pay attention here. Log 1 plus half equals to what? 3 by 2. 1 plus half equals to what? 3 by 2. I have written here 3 by 2. Log 5 base 5 to the power what? It is 5 by 6. minus 3. This is 3 by 2, 3 by 2 log 5 by 6 log minus 3. So it is 3 by 2, it is 5 by 6 minus 3. Now use the calculator to get the result. You use the calculator to get the result. So LCM is 6, 2, 3, 3 is 9, 6, that is 5, it is 6, so it will be minus 18. That means minus 4 by 6, that is minus 2 by 3. My dear students, read properly, stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much that you all were with me. Assalamu alaikum, best of luck. Allah Hafiz.